Hello, welcome to another video. I wanted to further share with you the power that I'm finding that is pyautogui. So instead of just controlling the mouse, it can actually do, handle or help handle computer vision and detection. So just a few lines of code. So yeah, I was amazed about what I could do with it and just wanted to share with you. So let's get started. So what I'm gonna do here, what I did here is that I went on YouTube and tried to find a high-res video, which I did. This is a high-res video of a slow burning match. So what you see here on the background is actually this match that's gonna be burning, and so you can access this video if you go to this link that I've included here on the notebook, on the Jupyter notebook, on the code. So if you click on it, you'll get to this video, and it'll show you slow moving matches. What I will do, excuse me, for a object detection using it. So first of all, I'm going to import the pyautogui, the library that I'm trying to show you. And then this next line of code here is, while true, it's gonna find or locate on the screen this match to find. This is a screenshot I took of this earlier. I'll show you what it is later or shortly after we run this. And then with a confidence level of 99%, once it finds it, if it finds it, it's going to click on it. So when it clicks on this YouTube video, it will automatically pause it, and you'll see, and it'll click where it found, where it located this, and then it's going to print the B box, or the the dimensions, or the area where you found this, and then it's going to break out of this while loop. So let me show you. So I'll show. So let me. I'm going to click run on this. And once I click run on this, then I'm going to start the video, and then the video is starting somewhere around the 35th second. That's where I'm starting it. You can start earlier or later, it's up to you, but about the 50-second time frame is when it will locate it, and it'll stop around, and I'll show you that. So let me run this, and I'm going to go, now I click on the video to start it. Excuse me. So it's burning, starting to burn, and we're gonna be reaching the area where it stops. So right about here. So it has found the area that so right where that mouse is, and let me move the mouse a little bit. You'll see where it is. This area is where this is the area where I made a copy, and then I store it, and that's what it is searching for or locating. And it has located this, and it has clicked on this, and on YouTube, when it clicks on it, it'll pause this. So let me show you further what I am explaining to you. So this is the screenshot. So I'm going to run this piece of code, and this is the cropped screenshot. So if you match this cropped screenshot that I had taken earlier, it found this on this, as the video is playing, and once it found it, click on it. So again, screen detection using pyautogui on a video. All right, so let me go to an example number 2. This is going to be a book find. So this is static JPGs, so or static picture files. So let me go through the code. So while true, we'll go found. We're going to locate on screen this. So I took the John. There's a John Grisham book in what I'm going to be showing you. And then again, with a confidence level, if it finds something that matches a confidence of 99%, it's going to click on it, and it's going to print. It's going to print the box, like right here. So top here, where the box that left 685. So it gives you the location of where it finds it, and then the size. So it is going. So if it finds it, it's going to click on it, and it's going to print found, and it's going to break out of this while loop. So let me first show you. So before I start this, I'm going to show you. So these are, I'm going to scroll. This is a book. There's going to be 3 pictures. So I'm going to be stepping through these. So this is, a slideshow or whatever. So this is the first picture, and then this is going to be the second bookshelf picture. And then it'll go out. Then I'll switch to the last bookshelf where it is going to show you that it detects it. So this John Grisham book is right here. This is this is what I copied, and I also show you that this is what it's looking for. And you'll see that when I come over here to this third picture, that the mouse will automatically, or the program will, or pyautogui is gonna shift the mouse, or indicating that it has found what I'm looking for right here. So let me go back to the first page. Let me go to the code. All right, and I'm gonna start this code. So you'll see that all right, the start that it is actually, this code is running. So I'm gonna click on here. Let me move the mouse here to this top right of the screen so that you know it's there while I step to it. So I'm gonna click left or right on my arrow to go to the next picture. All right, and then I'll go right again. You'll see that the mouse. Yep, so it's found it. You'll see that the mouse moved, or maybe you didn't see it, it was too fast. But then we move the mouse a little, you'll see that it did, or the computer, or the program automatically shifted it here. Let me go back now to the code. The code set on box, so it prints the box, or where it's found it. So this at this location, pixel location 528 by 199, with a width of and a height of this dimensions, this is where it found this what I was looking for. So let me show you then the screenshot. So this is the crop screenshot I had taken earlier for this section, and this is what it found. And so when it finds it, then it'll point to it. So a few lines of code. pyautogui. I share with you that this is it's quite powerful and be able to do a number of well, at least computer vision, as far as I can see. So hope you can try this out and let me know any ideas you may have as far as what additional functions I can work on and show you. I appreciate it, and any comments, feedbacks, obviously, do let me know. All right, have a good one. Bye.